Megan, off-leash canine Boise. Meet Shamrock. Shamrock is our newest 2-week board and train. He is a 5-year-old Old English Bulldog. The owners bring him to us because they have had him since he was a puppy and they absolutely love him, but he pulls. As you can tell, he's a big, strong dog. He has a lot of weight behind him. And right now, the only person that can walk him at home is Dad. So their main concern for Shamrock is going to be those leash manners, the heel command, walking nicely on and off leash. They want to make sure everybody in the family can walk him, which include the wife and the 13-year-old daughter. So that's going to be very important. Just in the short amount of time that we've had Shamrock, we've also found that he likes to jump up on us and then he'll bolt away from us. So working on that off command is going to be very important. Of course, place and come. We want to make sure he understands the concept of place because he's a big dog, keeping him out from under our feet and then coming back when called. The owners say that he will pull really hard on the leash and he has dragged them down and gotten away from them. So if that happens, they want to make sure he comes back. And then Shamrock, like a lot of Old English Bulldogs, can be a little bit protective over his space. The owners understand this, they understand the breed, but they would like to give him an off command. You know, if he's barking or he's going at the fence, telling him leave it or quiet is going to be really important. He is such a handsome boy. We love his name, so make sure you stay tuned for his transformation. Good boy, Shamrock. Good boy.